like it's too fast, but then it's not penetrating very good.
Yeah, that's why I was going to use the torches on it. But maybe if we crank up the wire. Oh, the wire.
Well, no, I had it all cranked all the way up, and it was just going way too fast.
Oh, well, now it's not going at all. It's on zero.
No, it's going, but not very fast. You know, that way it has more time to penetrate that area. That's what worked for mine.
Well,
but everyone's different. Every welder is different. So I'm
yeah.
just going to go over this side like that. I don't think that's really very good.
Yeah, it will reach just barely, but.
See it better too.
This floor is level. The floor has been leveled with a laser, so we can put stuff flat on the floor, and it's our frame jig. As long as everything's flat and there's no rocks under anything. And I swept the floor yesterday, or maybe it was the day before. So, well, how does it look? Do we need to switch over to the torches? That looks like it might be okay.
Yeah, a little bit of one, but still not feeling it very good.
I think I get better penetration though with the torches.
Yeah.
So let me show you what I was doing yesterday before we started cutting up the truck. I had a problem with my back door, and so I put in a new back door. Here's the old one. As you can see, there was critters getting in under the door. So now I got this nice one here. Got it in a junkyard, believe it or not. I was making a deal with the guy, and he said, "Hey, you want this door?" And I said, "Sure." I didn't know what it would fit. I was hoping it would fit the front door in the shop, but I guess it works fine in the back. And I can look through the peephole, and can't see anything because it's dark in there. Okay, so to recap the excitement from the other day, the rear end's all painted, got wheels and tires on it. The truck is kind of short now. We call it stubby, at least for now. I don't know, we're going to have to come up with a name for it. I'd ask the kids, but they come up with such stupid names. Oh, they're going to hear this. Uh-oh. Yeah. Well, now's a good time to learn how to do gas welding.
Yeah, I guess so.
So I'll give you a quick lesson, and you should be on your own in no time.
I'm watching too, so
yeah,
might be able to do it.
I think so. It's pretty easy to do. Well, there we are on gas welding. We're using wire coat hangers to hold this frame together.
Quite the gap on this one. It's my fault. Well, you want to play in here.
Yeah, you want to play around the work area.
Hey!
Yeah, that's the rust.
Yeah.
The rust doesn't like it.
Almost would be better if I had the piece of steel stuck in there.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Not too bad for my first time.
No, you're doing good. Grasshopper.
Yeah, it's because I've always watched you do this too. So, you know, especially when I was younger,
Yeah.
getting all the areas as hot as possible. I never really, I don't know, just listening to other people, I was always worried that it wouldn't hold good, you know?
Yeah. Well, you can see the way it flows in there.
But yeah, that's the idea of welding, that with arc welding and stuff too, is to get it good and hot.
Yeah, with arc welding, you're never really sure until you test it.
Right.
With that, you can see how much penetration you get. The TIG welder is pretty much the same way. You know, you got you got the torch and you get the rod that you feed into it.
Yeah.
Except that it doesn't have quite as much heat.
Yeah.
The heat isn't. The heat's concentrated in one spot instead of getting the whole thing red. Maybe we need a hotter tip. That doesn't seem. Maybe we need a bigger welding tip instead of that one. That's a number 5.
Yeah, I know.
Number 7 might do better.
Yeah. Oh, you got a 7?
Yeah, I think so. Let's see now. It seems to be done. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's gonna break.
Not moving.
No.
Good.
I declare it good. So here it is, all finished, kind of. We need some U-bolts to attach things permanently, but in fact, it doesn't look like he's got it centered. But it fits between the wheels now. It's close, but there's clearance anyway. It's looking good, but I got to move it myself now because Rich has gone home and I got to get into the garage. So I guess I'll try to wheel this thing out back by myself. But the weld came out pretty good. We beat the hell out of it with a hammer and we couldn't get it to crack. And I think we done a good job. But we'll see. If it falls apart on the first trip, then we'll know we didn't. Oh yeah, and don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to our channel so the rest of the world can see all the weird shit we're doing here. The welding gods have smiled upon us.